Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the TV is online and your My account is active. This lets Google services sync. Open Play Store and search for the Google app in Chrome, install or update both. Grant required permissions, location and microphone, because voice search and personalized results depend on them. Once done, reboot the TV to apply updates. Make sure Play Services shows as up to date. Without it, Google features will fail. Now you're ready to launch the Google app or Chrome and proceed. You should sign into your Google account inside the Google app or Chrome so bookmarks, history, and preferences sync. Next, enable voice search in the app settings, pair the remote's mic or accept on-screen prompts so OK Google works. Configure personalization, web and app activity and language, because Google tailors results based on those settings. Once you set language and preferences, test by asking for a search or open a website. If speech fails, recheck microphone permissions and network latency. You can now perform searches using the Google app, Chrome, voice, or the on-screen keyboard. Choose voice for speed and keyboard for precise queries. Refine results by using filters, quotation marks for exact phrases, or cite. To limit a domain, these quickly narrow results on a TV screen. If something breaks, clear the app cache and data, update Google Play Services, and reboot. As a final step, factory reset only if nothing else fixes it. Keep account credentials handy so you can sign back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.